Hi everybody, it's Daz and Games here, and today I have a different video. We got these free Mon Mouse packs, just in case I pull anything valuable. Got sleeves, got top loaders. So yeah, let's open it. I've never opened these before, I've only opened Mon Mouse 2017 I think. Oops. See. I know all the expensive cards, but I know there's some uncommons that are worth something. Ever Flying Chalice, I think it's okay. Hellkite Charger, pretty good. Put that here. Let's see. Okay. Next one. I think it's worth too much, but I think it's a pretty decent one. There's also a token here that's worth like £1 on its own. That's Fairy Rogue. Right. Extra cards. Long view. Yeah, foils on this look really cool. I don't think that's too much. Get to the final. Nah, no Fairy Rogues. Horde of Notions and Sunlance. I think that's pretty okay for Commander. Thanks for watching. I didn't get anything too good, but yeah. See you in the next video. Bye!